Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you two things. Technically, I think I will divide this video in two parts. In the first part, I would like to show you my work in progress. This is a kit from Make Market, their Christmas series home ornament. The kit that I'm working on right now, it is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters, and it comes with 44 acrylic drills, colors of acrylic drills. So you already see that I customize this kit a lot. I will elaborate on it once the kit is completed in my post review, but of course I did enhance it with ABs, with crystals, with opal crystals, with metallic drills. So a variety, and I like how it is turning out. I haven't even finished half of it yet because of a lot of colors for me. It does have color blocking, but still there is a lot of confetti as well, and I love how it is turning out. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I enjoy working on it. So this is the first part. The second part of my video is this very kit from Diamond Art Club, stacked pumpkins that I'm going to frame. By the way, just wanted you to see one more thing. Look at the sparkle. Do you see? This is the sparkle that is typical of resin drills. No ABs. I mean, there are ABs, but you can see it here on the pumpkin, the white ones, but look at the background. Background is resin drills. Do you see the individual sparkle of the drills? Do you see how it sparkles? Now, compare it with acrylic drills. The only drills that sparkle here are ABs and crystals. Acrylic drills, for example here, they don't sparkle. They do glow, but they do not sparkle. And this is the main difference between acrylic drills and gorgeous resin drills. Now, let's frame it and see how it's gonna look in the frame. To my surprise, the kit size was pretty standard, 13 by 19 inches. I will remind those of you who didn't watch my video unboxing and post review, I purchased this very kit on Amazon. So Diamond Art Club has its store on Amazon as well, and they are selling mini versions of their bigger kits. So those of you who do not like big kits, like huge kits, like 70 by 90, 80 by 60 centimeters, I'm not a fan of those. They have smaller versions, like this one, for example, in the size of 13 by 19 centimeters. So I purchased the frame from Amazon as well, 13 by 19. I found that it was not very expensive, around $18. But the problem was with these frames that they were very limited in color, black, maybe this color, maybe white. That's it. No brown color, for example. I think that this very design could benefit either from brown or definitely from blue or pink frame, but unfortunately they didn't have a lot of variety of colors. So let's frame it and see how it's gonna look behind the glass. I already mentioned several times how I frame my designs, my diamond paintings, and nothing supernatural. I just cut this white sides from right, left, bottom, and top and put it in the frame, just like as if you are framing any photo. So all sides are cut, and now I'm going to put it inside of this frame. Just like this, and then I cover it with this. You know, I actually like it very much. I think that the color of the frame fits the design perfectly. I'm not actually even sure if pink one would look as good. I love it. It looks very natural, very natural. And as you can see, the glass does not take away any sparkle, as if it does not have any glass, right? So Diamond Art Club drills are magnificent. Look, they sparkle on the electric light, on the sunlight, without the glass, behind the glass, doesn't matter. Oh my god, I miss resin drills so much. Love it, love it, love it. So if you are thinking of purchasing this kit, that's how it looks completed. If you already have this kit and you are thinking about framing it, this is one variation of framing it in the color like that. I would say it's the mixture of beige and gray, I would say. So I actually like it. I think it looks terrific in this frame color. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.